Hello and welcome back to the channel. In a previous SRA vlog, we explored the concept of three-site replicated storage environment and demonstrated how to configure array pairs for three-site partition-based PBHA-DR config using the SRA plugin. I'm Apurva Singh and I'm a plugin backend engineer with IBM Storage Virtualized Systems. In today's video, we are taking the next steps forward, which includes discovering devices based on three-site partition-based array pair, creating a protection group and a recovery plan, and finally running a test failover operation to verify everything is working smoothly. Alright, let's start by discovering the devices. Here, in the Site Recovery Manager interface, click on Array Pairs under the Array-based replication in the Site Pair section. Select the array pair we have created previously. Now, click on Discover Devices. This will scan all the LUNs or volumes that are mapped between the production and recovery storage arrays in a three-site PBHA-DR setup. Once the devices are discovered, the output table shows the list of devices created under volume groups on storage systems and their mapped data stores. We can see the status of devices is shown as forward, which means the devices are being replicated from the protected site to the recovery site. Moving towards the right of the table, the column named as Local Consistency Group shows the volume group corresponding to each volume. Please note that if array pair is created on the partition-based config, which is true in our case, then the output of discovered devices shows the objects within that partition only. Next, we'll create a protection group. Go to Protection Groups, click on New Protection Group. Give your protection group a name, let's say protection_group_1. Click on Next and select array-based replication as the type. Below it, select the three-site partition-based array pair. Click Next, select the replicated data stores on which you wish to run the further SRM operations. You can select all or partial number of data stores in a partition to include in the protection group. Moving ahead, let's add this protection group to a recovery plan. On this page, click on Add to New Recovery Plan and provide a unique name to your recovery plan. And at last, confirm the details provided before clicking the Finish button. Recovery plans define the exact steps to follow during a failover, ensuring a smooth and orderly recovery process. Now, let's move to the exciting part, that is, running a test failover. It is recommended to always run a test before the actual failover. This ensures the environment is ready and gives you a safe space to fix any issues. In the Recovery Plans dashboard, select your plan and under the recovery steps, click Test. SRM will use the Test-DR feature of FlashSystem, which provides temporary snapshots of the original data to run Test-DR. Here, the underlying production storage and its replicated copy remains unaffected. SRM will spin up VMs in an isolated network at the recovery site. Monitor the steps. SRM shows each phase like VM startup, command execution, and validation checks. Once the test is shown as completed on SRM, we'll go to the VCSA of DR site to confirm that data stores are visible and VMs are up and running on DR as well. Please note that test failover operation brings up the VMs on DR site without affecting the VMs of production site. Now, last step here is to do a cleanup using the cleanup option. During the cleanup operation, the temporary DR snapshots created by SRM on the storage system are cleaned up. With this, you can protect your entire solution with IBM FlashSystem and SRA plugin. Hope it was interesting and helpful, from discovering devices, creating protection groups, and recovery plan to testing a failover. We have covered it all today. Thanks for watching.